ABC Mouse.
Hi there, I'm Violet. Are you ready? Let's draw. Today, I am using art to help some of my friends who love animals. Look, here comes a farmer.
Hello, I want a pet. I live on a farm.
I know what to do. A dog. A dog can run on a farm.
Oh, thank you, Violet. Let's go to the farm, dog.
Uh-oh! Come back, dog!
Look, here comes a girl. She has a pet. It's a bird.
Help! My bird wants a home.
Does it live outside in a nest? Does it live inside in a cage?
My bird is a pet. It lives in a cage. It wants a big cage.
Okay, one big cage coming up.
Wow! Thank you, Violet. Yay! Let's go home, Birdie. Ugh! This cage is really big.
Here comes another person.
Hello, I have a pet too. My pet lives outside in my garden. My pet is sad.
Aw, perhaps her pet wants a friend. Let's see. I know!
Oh, a butterfly! Come outside, pet. Thank you, Violet.
Art is a wonderful way for us to help our friends. They could live inside, outside, or be a cute monster. Do you want to draw a pet with me? Grab a pencil and paper. Draw what I draw. Let's draw a bird. First, draw the head. It needs 2 eyes. Next, draw the body and the tail. Then, draw 2 feet and 2 wings. It's a bird. Now, let's add some color. I like yellow. Beautiful. Great job. Drawing together is amazing. See you next time.